Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Niggas on that block, they all get shot. I ain't even have time to pick. Fuck some niggas that's dead. I'll put it back on your head, and after you dead, shoot up your camera, nigga. I ain't showing no remorse to none of them niggas. They shouldn't have been talking shit.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TVI. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? Y'all boy can see to the right of me, we got my boy Catless in the wide body. You feel me? We just finna do a little POV for the day. As y'all can tell by my voice, yes, I'm sicker than a damn fish. So, you feel me? I'm gonna be sounding like Squidward a little bit because my nose stopped up, no cap. But anywho, y'all, we finna give y'all boys a little POV for the day. You feel me? To give y'all boys something to watch. Make sure y'all boys go check out the last video I did where I upgraded my dry shell bearing. You feel me? And go show that video some love. Also, they try to get this video up to 100 likes. I know y'all niggas can do it, you feel me? So let's go ahead and make that jump happen. No cap. Let me see. I can do lunches and stuff now. You feel me? Now I got my dry shelf fixed. He might be needing a dry shelf next though. We also got a 360 camera on the back too. So that's gonna be extra footage. Oh! Y'all see how that track mode be? That suspension be stiff. Oh God. I still gotta put them washers on here though to help with that little vibration. But after that, we'll be straight. Let me make sure I cut that damn music off for YouTube pick it up. We actually driving around to see if we can find some new car meet spots. Because we do need some more spots, not gonna lie. Because the police been on our head like way too much. They always infiltrating the car meets and trying to shut everything down. Can't be having that going on. Not on Sean's TV watch, no cap. Car sound very, very, very good in this cold ass weather. Cold ass weather. That's the reason why I'm sick now, bro. I'm talking about I went all last year without getting sick. Now my body decided that nigga, you gonna be sick today. I'm like, God damn, that's not fair. We almost close to like the road, they got like all the industrial stuff on there. I know we can find some like real close by. And if y'all know some places, let me know on everything. There gotta be some over there, bitch. I would go around these niggas, but I ain't gonna do it. Guess we could do a little lunch control for y'all boys. Let's see how they bit. Damn, not like that. Activate lunch control. I don't know what the hell just happened. That bitch speed so motherfucking bad. That shit was in motherfucking embarrassing. Ugh! Damn, I'm sick as hell. This bitch did not hook at all. Which I already knew it wasn't, but goddamn. I was expecting a little better than that. But now we finna try to find another spot. You feel me? We can't do the spots yet because I don't know, the police be looking and shit. So, you feel me? That's what brings us on over here. Oh! Nigga, I almost drove off the road. We got way on these motherfucking cars to go. I'm trying to see what I should do. I think I'm gonna drift this corner. I ain't gonna lie, my tires is so bald, bro. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Oh, shit. I told y'all, bro, I'm sick as hell, bro. This don't make no sense. I need to take my ass back to the crib. That's what I need to do. Which is probably what I'm gonna do. Very, very, very shortly. But we try to at least find like one more spots that we can have like a meetup at. That seems pretty ducked off to where people won't be complaining and shit. So we finna try over here right by the gas station. No doubt. I gotta figure out how to get up in that bit though. Cause there's no way that I go, oh okay, yeah, I go through here. We got the niggas in the 4-wheelers over this bit. You feel? 4-wheeler niggas in the building. Let's see, I gotta figure out how to get up in this bit. Let's see. I guess we just go up here. But we gotta go real slow because it might be a motherfucking, I don't know. I know if somebody was sliding and they made a mistake and crashed, like over here, niggas rocks. Damn! How the hell I get down in there?